Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your CV details in the BestJobs application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it, and here in this page you can just press on edit profile, and after that you can just see here basically your profile page, which also acts as your CV. And if you want to view how others see your profile or CV, you can just press on the eye symbol at the top of your right corner, and you can see this is exactly how it looks like. Now my profile is empty, so of course it's going to look empty, but to show you an example, I'm just going to fill out something in the about me section. Like, I'm just going to answer the self-interview with some random letters. Press save, and you can see that down below it was saved, my answer to the question. And now that I look at the eye symbol there, you can see that if I fill out something, it will appear in here. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.